This tutorial will guide you how to add Minecraft launcher to Steam. Ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully. Now on your Steam library here, down you'll see add a game. So click on add a game. Then select add a non-Steam game. And then click browse. Now select browse, just select this PC. Now select the C drive. Scroll down, look for the Xbox Games folder. Now look for the Minecraft launcher. Now this is the Minecraft launcher, open it. Then click on content. Now you'll see Game Launch Helper. Just click on it and then click open. And then select add selected programs. Now it will be added here, which is the Game Launch Helper. Now what you need to do, just right click on it, and then go to properties. And then on the shortcut here, click this icon. Now choose the small logo, which is this one. And then click open. It will be added here. Now here you have to rename it to Minecraft launcher. After writing Minecraft launcher, now just close this. Now here, select here the top here, and then right click on it, and then select set custom background. Now here you'll have to choose another logo, which I prefer this one, which is a small logo scale, this one. So select it and then click open. Now it will be added here. So that's it. You can see how the Minecraft launcher has been added to the Steam. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.